we guide you through how to fix app keeps stopping on Android. So the first thing you need to do is to open your settings, then tap apps or app management and select the app that keeps crashing. Tap storage, then choose clear cache. If the problem continues, go back and select force stop, then open the app again. You should also check if the app has an available update by opening the Google Play Store, searching for the app, and tapping update if available. If it still keeps stopping, return to the app storage settings and choose clear data. Keep in mind that this may remove saved information from the app, so make sure your important data is backed up. And finally, restart your Android phone and try opening the app again. These steps can fix most app crashing problems without needing to reset the entire phone.